So our name of application is Inventory Stock Management. This program is a simple inventory management. The program presents a menu-driven interface to the user with the following features. Add items, input new items with name, quantity, and price. The second is view items to view all the products that the user inputted. Uh, Compute total value. Calculate the total value of inventory by multiplying quantity and price for each item. The fourth is search item. Search for specific item by name. And five, exit or quit the program. Okay. So the program is a basic inventory management system that lets user add, view, compute total, view and search for items like I said earlier, no. So each item has a name, quantity, and price. It uses arrays, store data, selection structures to handle user choices and validations, and loops to repeat menu actions and process items. Selection structures are used to validate menu choices, check quit options, prevent adding items in full, run actions based on choices, handle empty inventory, show search results, display not found messages, and validate numeric input. So in looping structures, we use repeat the menu, display items, compute total value, search for items, clear invalid input, add multiple items, ensure complete calculations, and continue searching until a match is found or the list ends.
Hello ma'am, I'll explain the flowchart and how it works. So basically our flowchart. So our this flowchart shows how an inventory program works from start to finish. So kaning flowchart na mo magigama is mag-start si Johnny, mag-count si Jack tulo ka arrays ang name, quantity o price. Napos si Jay set count from 0 para ma-add si Jack para natin ma-add ani mga kuan kumana na is mo dito sila sa kuan sa display menu mag-count si Jack mga choices 1 to 5 is katong mag-add item ma-count sa Jack price o dijang total value o search price kung ang user nagpili si Jack choice nga 5 which means katong exit o terminate mo dito si Jack end mo dito si Jack. Pero kung if ang user mo kuan si Jack kuan ijang igamit nga choice, ang ijang input nga choice is up to 5 or below 1 ang mo display kay kuan invalid unsa mo balik si Jack mo loop si Jack pabalik sa kuan menu. And if ang user mo use si Jack ay ijang igamit nga choice is 1 mo dito si Jack sa case 1 or katong mag add og item. So ani maguntan na si Jack nga ang imo bang inventory is puno. Kung puno ang mo gawas ani guys ang kuan kani inventory full may ijang mo display. Pero kung napay space mangutan na si Jack sa item name, example Coke, quantity, kinsi kabuo o ijang price magkuan siya ija nang i-add sa katong kuan count ja ma-add na imong mga items dito si Johnny mo loop si balik sa menu ja dito ja ipang user mo kuan si jag number 2 ang ijang ipili na pud kay 2 mo dito si Johnny sa display items. So how this works is kuan mo kuan si Jack mangutan na si Jack na by items nga imong ki-add. Kung wala kung makay gi-add gikan ani ang mo display no items, pero kung naa an mo dito si Johnny mo kung mo kuan si just mo lop si Jam balik si just kato imong gi-add gun ja i-display tong imong gi-add nga Coke pila ka buok o kuan ijang price mo display si ja dito si Jam balik na pud sa menu. Now if ang user mo ijang ipili is katong option 4 is which mean is katong item search, ija nang ikuan ang how this works is kuan kung ang imong gi-add gunja nga Coke nga imong gi-add sa case 1 imong i-search is Coke, ija nang ipangita sa imong list nga gunja nga gipang count ja mo tanong si Jagos item found. Kung makita man kung nakita ang imong gipa-search nga item nga imong gi-add gunja mao nimo kuan mo lugwa ijang details sa item sa Coke pila to ka buok kuan. Pero kung wala kay na-add gunja or wala sa imong list, ang mo gawas is item not found, then mo ani sila kuan mo ani sila sa kuan loop balik sila sa menu. So this is how it works, ma'am. Kung man na nagamit nimo pwede na ka mo pili o option 5 which means is katong end terminate mo end siya sa program. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Josh Arvey Casqueo and I will explain the source code of our group project. So this is a simple inventory system program in C. The purpose of this program is to let the user add items, view the list, compute the total value, and search for an item. The program uses 3 arrays, one for the item names, one for the quantities, and one for the prices. Now a variable called count to track how many items are saved. It runs using a while loop that keeps showing the menu until the user chooses to quit. The menu has 5 options. The program also checks if the user entered valid input para dili siya may error. When the user chooses to add an item, the program asks for the name, quantity, and price, then stores everything in the arrays. And if the user chooses to view the items, it will display the completed list. For the total value, the program multiplies quantity and price for each item and adds them together to get the total worth of the inventory. And for the search item, the user types a name and the program compares it with the stored items. If a match is found, it shows the item details, and if it's not, it displays item not found. The program continues until the user selects option 5, then it ends with a goodbye message. Overall, this program shows basic arrays, loop, and simple input handling in C. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Zeus Ivan Betos, and today I'll show you our inventory program in C. This program helps manage items. So again, on hand, add items, type the name, quantity, and price. And number 2, view items. So kaya view items, makita nimo tanan items with their name, quantity, and price. So money. Then ang number 3 is total value. Ang program mo calculate sa total value by multiplying quantity o price. Then ang number 4, search item. Type an item name. Ang program mo display sa details if makita. Kung wala, item not found. Ang program mag-loop sa menu hangtod mupili ka og quit. In short, kini nga program teaches arrays, loops, and input validations. Ito. Salamat.